Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel if this is your first time here. Shout out to Tiffany Dorch who actually came up with this video idea of me showing you some different ways to tie headscarves. This comes in handy when you have crusty dusty braids like mine that you really don't want to show to the world, okay? So I like to use headscarves to just switch it up. It's a really good way to just throw something on your hair and go. So we're gonna go ahead and use our headscarf. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for 17,000 subscribers. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. These scarves are from a company called Covered by Miriam. I have two of them actually from her, and I'll go ahead and link these in the description box below in case you're interested in supporting her Black owned business. All right, so I'm just gonna freestyle it, y'all. I'm just gonna try some different things and hopefully you can recreate them at home. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like in the back. I don't know what it looks like in the back, so y'all can feel me. I don't know about you, but when I wear braids, I like to wear my hair up in a bun. So let's do a bun action first and then we'll tie a scarf. So this is our, little bun situation. We call this one the Erica Badu. But if you want to be like me and show your edges a little bit, there you go. There you go right there. Did we do this already? I can't remember. It's slightly different. It's different enough. I like it. It's cute. This is like the braid go-to, just tie it up, wrap it up in the front, and be about your day. Like, this is how we wore our hair in college, okay? When the braids was looking rough, but you still need to go to class. If you're not about that double-decker action, that's cool, that's fine. the whole point of this, y'all, is that you can literally do whatever you want to with a hair wrap. Try it. If it doesn't work, try something else. So yeah, y'all, this is the video. Let me know how many of these styles, how many of these wrap styles you've actually tried yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, thank you to Tiffany Dorch for recommending this video topic. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.